everyone! Welcome back to Buona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make churros. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and comment down below any recipes you would like to see in my channel. Churros are fried dough from Spanish and Portuguese cuisine. They are crispy in the outside and soft in the inside. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! For the churros, we will need 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the cinnamon sugar, we will need half cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For the chocolate sauce, we will need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a pan over medium heat, add the water, butter, salt, sugar, and let it boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and immediately stir in the flour. And put it back in the heat and cook for about 30 seconds. Then, transfer it into a bowl and gradually add the eggs one at a time and beat them together until well incorporated. Don't forget to occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. Then, with the last egg, add the vanilla extract. Once it's already well incorporated, transfer the mixture into a piping bag with a star tip, or you can also use Wilton 8P. In a pan over medium heat, heat the oil until it reaches 187 degrees Celsius. Then, pipe the mixture and fry it until it becomes golden brown. Once golden brown, transfer it into a wire rack to drain. Repeat the procedure with the remaining mixture. Combine the white sugar and the cinnamon. Now, coat the churros with the cinnamon sugar. For the chocolate sauce, put the chocolate chips in a jug, add in the cinnamon powder and the heavy cream. Give it a mix and pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds or until the chocolate chips have completely melted. Don't forget to stir them together to combine. And here's our finished product! Churros are so good and very easy to make, and is best served when they're freshly made. And they stay warm and crisp for about 20 minutes. But don't worry, you can always pop them in the oven to make them crispy again. I hope you give this a try. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!